folks, I have a soprano ukulele to show you today. This is number 702. It's made from some beautiful Mastergrade Myrtle from a sawmill in Myrtle, or in Portland. This is a urban myrtle tree, and you can see it's really curly and it's got this beautiful mineral streaks to the wood. And these four plates are a book match, a rising match through the log, so you can see how as it goes through the grain it changes with that staining, because the staining like just went through like a corner of the board. Pretty cool. And the same wood is in the neck here. Myrtle makes a nice neck for a little instrument like this, and then pistachio everything else. Yeah, it feels good. It feels, light and responsive like an old soprano should. Plenty of volume, but I want to add that sustain and richness as much as a small instrument can. Yeah, and it already feels really open sounding to me. I like it. So it's number 702. And I have more of this Myrtle. I bought quite a bit of it. So if somebody wants an instrument like this, drop me a line. Cheers.